Check this.
I greet you and I wish you well. Eyima Idemodia brings you informative news from the crypto space. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video amongst your friends, and leave a comment down on the comment box below of what you think about this video. The digital asset exchange Koinex has just launched a crypto-to-crypto trading at zero cost on its platform, both web and mobile, with 15 pairs of tokens. Our platform is built with agility and technical brilliancy to adapt to any market requirement, said Rahul Raj, co-founder and CEO of Koinex. Available tokens to pair include Ethereum ETC/BTC, Litecoin LTC/BTC, Ripple XRP/BTC, Tron TRX/BTC, Omisigo OMG/BTC, Bitcoin Cash BCH/BTC, EOS/BTC, Nucleus Vision Ncash/BTC, and Request REQ/BTC. The tokens available in the Ethereum market will be Tron TRS/ETH, Ripple XRP/ETH, Omisigo OMG/ETH, Bitcoin Cash BCH/ETH, EOS/ETH, and Nucleus Vision Ncash/ETH. Due to various strict up regulations and bearish movement of many governments towards crypto, the market has been battling its way since the beginning of the year. However, as the team behind the coin did not let down and continue working even harder with more improvements and updates, so the best thing to do for exchange is utilizing the moment and implementing the best strategy to be part of the gold crazy train that the cryptomania is. Do you want to earn some Bitcoin? BitcoinTeam.club is an automated peer-to-peer Bitcoin donation website on the Big Daddy blockchain. I will leave an affiliate link for BitcoinTeam.club website in the comment section below. One of the benefits of BitcoinTeam.club I like so much is the free crypto trading signal, which members enjoy despite the opportunity available to members to earn over 4.9 Bitcoin in simple 4 levels. Isn't this amazing? I see BitcoinTeam.club as a platform to earn some Bitcoin and trade cryptocurrency profitably with their free crypto trading signal. The Bitcoin community has another way of encouraging our supporters. Wow! Sign up today using my affiliate link on the pinned comment section below. Thank you once again for taking out your time to watch this video. Buy the deed, sell the eye. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Check this.